Hey, what's up guys? Litom reached out to me and sent me this desk lamp for free to do an honest review. They did not pay me for this review, but they did send me this product for free. So it actually looked pretty cool. I checked the Amazon ratings and it has a whole bunch of ratings, and I'll put a link in the description below. So let's actually unbox this thing and see what it comes with. So a few cool things about this lamp that I originally saw, that it has a whole bunch of different color temperatures, different brightnesses, and it even has a USB charging port, and that's why I have my USB-C charging cable handy. But we're gonna see what it comes with and stuff. So obviously you have the manual. Be sure to check that out. Just because this thing has a lot of functions. Okay, yeah, so basically just the power plug and the light itself. So no USB cords come with this thing. So this thing comes in two different colors. It comes in white and black. There it is. Okay, so we have, so this thing rotates. So this is the max. That's the max. It folds obviously, and it folds like this. So pretty compact if you want to take it somewhere with you. I don't know if that's necessary, but it's good to know that it's pretty foldable. It also has a night light, so that's going to act as your night light and your USB port. So I'm actually going to plug it in. I'm going to attempt to charge my phone, and then I'll turn off all the lights and we'll just go through the different colors and see how it actually works. Alright, so I have it plugged in. I played with it a little bit. Honestly, this thing is pretty awesome. I'm going to show you guys how it works. So starting off with the USB charging, output is 5 volts, 1 amp, translation, standard charging speed. It is not going to charge rapidly, but it is charging, which is really nice. Now, you can obviously use the light while it's plugged in, but just to make things really nice and simple, I will unplug it. So, there are 5 different color temperatures, so let's see if we could just go to the beginning. So starting off with this, so this is level 1, this is the warmest color, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to the warmest color. Now if we go to the cooler colors, it becomes easier to see. This is pretty cool because this is your sensor, and it basically dims and brightens the light, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, it's I don't know, I gotta say that's pretty awesome. This is a timer, so if you tap that, after 1 hour the light will turn off. Now it doesn't look like you could change that time to, let's say, 5 minutes or 15 minutes. It looks like it's programmed at 1 hour. And then here is the night light. So you get a little night light on this side, so when you tap that, that night light goes on. So let's say we turned everything off, and there's your night light. Now I'm going to turn off all the lights just so you guys could see what it looks like at night. Okay, so I've turned off all the lights, and you see the little light that's illuminated. Tap that on, power goes on. This is the warmest color. Easiest to read at night if you ask me. Dim it down. This is the dimmest setting. This is the brightest setting. You go through the lights. Let's dim this one. Very similar in terms of brightness and dimness. You go here, here. This is the coolest light. Dim it there and increase it there. So this is the wide range of colors. And I tap it one more time and it goes back to the original. So again, we'll just cycle through it really quickly. Yeah, pretty awesome. So obviously you guys know that this is the timer, and this is the little night light. So I turn on the night light, I'll turn that off. This is what it looks like from my side. This is what it looks like from this side, and this is what it looks like from your side. So if I lift it, that's what the night light looks like. Now turning on the light, can you dim the night light? It does not look like you can control the color of the night light nor the brightness of the night light. Now, does this stay if I move it to place? And the answer is yes, it actually stays no matter what position I put it in, it actually stays no problem, which is pretty phenomenal. And the reason for that is obviously this takes a tad bit of force to actually move it, because if I try to adjust it without holding this base down, the base is going to move because the base itself is not that heavy. So yeah, so any position I put it in, it's going to stay, which is pretty awesome. And obviously, you know, it doesn't go more back than that. You could stand it up straight like this, and you could twist it like that, and twist it my way. And that's essentially that's the full range of motion. So what do I like about this? What's the coolest thing? This dimming thing is pretty awesome, that it dims with the light. That's pretty genius. I think it's a fantastic idea that they put USB charging. That's very, very convenient. I can see a lot of people using that. And the nightlight itself is pretty cool as well. The timer, I guess it could be useful for some people, but the fact that I don't see a way to customize it to change it to, let's just say, I want it always to be 15 minutes, or I always want it to be 30 minutes, or it transitions between 50, 30, and 1 hour, right? Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use that feature, but it's nice that it's there. It's nice that it's an option. But overall, it's honestly a very well-built, solid light that's very responsive and very functional. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment sections below.